Michelle just told me that there's a cat cafe and we have to go!
Yes, it'll be our first time, both of us.
Turn right onto East Caesar, shop at...
So you went to one in Paris?
Yes. The cafe was in a building that was probably like 600 years old with the big, thick wooden beams. When you sat down to eat, the cats would climb up in your lap and try to take food off of your plate. And they were just super cute and very friendly.
I want
really
that.
cute.
I want that in my house. I just
The
want,
little trailer?
yeah, like not in my house, in my
In your
yard.
yard.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I want all of these shirts. There's an upside down Christmas tree. I'm really into this trend. My mom thinks it's dumb, but I think it's amazing. This guy's a friendly guy. Hey. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. This guy is named Wasabi. Oh. 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 What a pretty little guy. What a pretty guy. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Look at your kitty.
Oh, my kitty ears.
Hey guys, so that was footage I filmed back in April of a cat cafe that I went to with my friend Michelle in Austin. I'm talking kind of quietly because our landlords are in the backyard and I don't want them to think I'm crazy talking to myself. I've had it on my iPod forever and I just wanted to get it put together and put on the internet, so there it is. That is the cat cafe we went to in Austin. It was amazing. I'm putting the vlog up super early this week because we are going to be out of town visiting my mom for Christmas this week and I don't want to have to worry about getting the vlog up. So since I'm filming this the day I'm actually going to upload it, I'm going to go ahead and check the survey results and see who guessed correctly, and it might go up today or tomorrow, so I'm not sure. Let's see. So 2 people guessed in the survey this week what day I was going to post. They both guessed Thursday, December 15th, which was a very good guess. Tasty McTaste voted, and then someone who left their name blank voted, both for Thursday, December 15th. Obviously, it is not Thursday, December 15th, but that was a good guess. Thank you very much for trying to guess and indulging me in this silly little game. If you want to guess the next mystery day I'm going to post my next video, there will be a poll in the description eventually because I haven't filled it out yet, but I'm going to turn this off so I can eat some food real quick because I got to go to work, and I will see you next time I make a video. Goodbye.